Fashion Website Templates with Divi. We'll explore two impressive options, one premium and one free, that you can use to elevate your fashion brand's online presence effortlessly. Before we start, if you haven't installed the Divi theme yet and need guidance, click on the link in the description below for a complete walkthrough. First up, from the Divi Marketplace, we have a chic fashion website template available for just $19. Let's dive in and explore its live demo to see what it offers. Starting with the Hero section, this captivating area grabs attention with striking visuals and bold text, setting the perfect tone for your fashion brand from the get-go. Moving to the New Product section, this dynamic display beautifully showcases the latest trends and releases, enticing visitors to explore and shop. Next, the Our Best Seller section, highlighting your most popular items with style and elegance. This area invites customers to discover what's hot in your collection. Then, the Testimonial section, customer experiences are showcased here, adding credibility and creating a trusted relationship with potential buyers. Lastly, the Footer section, featuring social media icons, a navigation menu, and contact info, ensuring visitors can easily connect and explore your brand further. Now, let's check out a free template included with the Divi theme download. This ready-to-use design provides a seamless setup for your fashion website. Beginning with an impressive hero section, this space immediately engages visitors with a great design and impactful messaging tailored for fashion enthusiasts. Next, the About Us section. Here, you can share your brand story and mission, fostering a connection with your audience through compelling narratives. Followed by the Collection section. Display your diverse array of fashion lines, making it easy for visitors to explore and fall in love with your offerings. And finally, the Popular Outfit section, highlighting your standout pieces and best ensembles, encouraging visitors to delve into your curated style collections. If you're interested in learning how to create and edit this free website template with Divi, check the link in the description. It guides you through creating a modern website with Divi and WordPress. And that's it.